Hi friends, I just wanted to do a quick clarification on what's going on with Miranda rights. Our Miranda rights have not been completely removed. We still have them. I went through and watched my last video where I mentioned Miranda, and I realized that I had kind of implicated that Miranda rights didn't apply anymore, and that's not the case. What the Supreme Court has ruled is that if a police officer arrests you and does not cite Miranda, which is an improper arrest, you are not allowed to then sue the officer for wrongful arrest based on the fact that he did not read you Miranda. So before this decision, a wrongful arrest or an improper arrest would possibly give rise to a civil claim where you could seek damages for all of the legal fees and the, distress, etc., that has been caused by having to go through a trial based on an unlawful or improper arrest. The Supreme Court has just ruled that improper arrest due to a lack of being Mirandized no longer can give rise to civil claims for, potential damages like loss of your job, etc. So yes, we still have our Miranda rights and we can still invoke them and we should still invoke them. Again, I want my lawyer, I'm invoking my right to remain silent, and then remain silent. And if you are not Mirandized, it is still an improper arrest. It's still improper procedure for detainment, which means evidence can still be excluded based on that fact. But if you are arrested improperly without Miranda, you cannot turn around and then sue the officer for improperly arresting you and putting you through all of the rigmarole of the trial and potential job loss and, reputation or whatever kind of damages you want to come up with that would come from being arrested improperly. So one less way for a victim to seek justice. Yay! Good job, SCOTUS. So yes, your Miranda rights still exist. Yes, they still should read them to you. And yes, if they don't read them to you, it's an improper arrest and evidence can be excluded based on that. You just can't sue them for not doing it right and putting you through all the rigmarole that comes from having to defend an improper arrest. Hope we could clear that up. If you have any questions, please let me know and keep fighting the good fight.